In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit symbols in Adobe Illustrator so all instances update. If you've ever wanted to make one change and have it ripple across your entire document, this is exactly how to do it. Symbols are powerful for repeating elements like icons, buttons, and logos because they're all connected to a single master. Edit the master once and every instance reflects the change. Start by making sure the Symbols panel is visible. Go to the Window menu at the top of your screen and choose Symbols. If the panel is already open, you're good to go. In that panel, locate the symbol you want to adjust and double-click it. Don't worry about selecting an instance on the artboard. Double-clicking directly in the Symbols panel takes you straight to the source. When you do, Illustrator switches to symbol editing mode. You'll notice the interface change. Everything else on your artboard dims, and a breadcrumb bar appears at the top, confirming you're editing the symbol itself. This is your sign that any edits you make here will update everywhere that symbol appears. Now make your changes to the artwork. You can tweak shapes, adjust colors and strokes, refine paths, or add and remove elements. Keep the symbol's overall bounds and alignment in mind so instances remain consistent when they update. If you're adjusting small details, zoom in for precision and consider grouping related elements so they stay organized. Remember, you're editing the master symbol, so think globally. What you do here will be reflected across the document once you exit. When you're finished, exit editing mode by clicking the arrow at the top left of the breadcrumb bar or simply press the S key. Illustrator returns you to the main workspace and you'll see the magic. All symbol instances update automatically with your changes. That includes instances that are scaled, rotated, or transformed. Their transformations remain intact while the artwork itself refreshes. A few quick tips before you wrap up. If you want to preserve the original version, duplicate the symbol first by dragging it onto the new symbol icon in the Symbols panel, then edit the duplicate. If you need a one-off variation that shouldn't update with the master, select that instance on the artboard and break its link before editing. And if something looks off after updating, just hop back into symbol editing mode to fine-tune. That's it. Open the Symbols panel, double-click the symbol, make your edits,